Good morning students. Today in accountancy session we are going to continue with unit 3 accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. Going to see exercise 8. Okay students, what is the given in the question? Balance sheet of Subha and Sudha is given for the year ending 31/12/2018. Okay, here you have liabilities and then here you have assets. You got me students? Okay, in the asset side we are having fixed assets 70,000, current assets we are having 50,000. Similarly, in the liability side we are having capital accounts of who? Subha and Sudha, and then we are having current liabilities. Okay students, so this is the given in the question. Now we are going to see how to work out this sum if it is given in the balance sheet form. Students, here is a solution for exercise 8. In that, adjustment was given children in the question. Drawings of Subha is 8,000 and Sudha is 10,000. Similarly, there was a profit credited to their account, that is 30,000. Okay children, now you should remember, first method we used formula and another one method we learned to prepare interest on capital by using a format. Now I have applied this format here. Okay children, hope you remember. You want to take the closing capital, you want to add drawings along with that, and if at all profit is credited you have to minus it. You got me students? And finally the answer what you get will be the opening capital. So that is what we are going to work out now. You got me students? So first, capital on 31/12/2018, that is for Subha there is 40,000 and Sudha 60,000. There is a drawing amount of 8,000 and 10,000. Now when you total this, you get an amount of 48,000 and here you get an amount of 70,000. Profit is already credited, this 30,000. So 30,000 is shared in the profit sharing ratio of 2:3. So they have given already in the question 2:3. That means for Subha you have 30,000 into 2/5 and for Sudha 30,000 into 3/5 you want to calculate, because that is a profit sharing ratio. You got me students? So when you calculate like that, you will get for Subha an amount of 12,000 and here you get an amount of 18,000. Now what do you want to do with this profit? You want to subtract, isn't it? So here you get an amount of 36,000 as capital, and similarly for Sudha you are getting an amount of 52,000. So this will be the capital on 1/1/2018. Okay children, hope you understood this sum. Students, here is exercise 9 for you. The question goes like this. Balance sheet of Rajan and Devan is given as on 31/12/2018. Liabilities and asset. In the asset side you have sundry assets, that is 2,20,000. Coming to the liability side, capital account is given, Rajan 1,00,000, Devan 80,000. See here, additionally one account is given, profit and loss appropriation account. Students, you have to note down that if profit and loss appropriation account is given in the liability side, then it means the profit. You got me students? If profit and loss account is given in the asset side, it means loss for us. So accordingly we have to do some calculation that we will see when we start doing the sum. Now you see here additional information. Rajan introduced additional capital when date is 1/4/2018. What is the amount? 40,000. Devan is introducing additional capital 30,000. What is the date? On 1/9/18. Okay, September month. Now let us see what is the drawings amount. Drawings were Rajan 20,000, Devan drawings is rupees 10,000. This year profit earned is rupees 70,000. Okay students, so this is a question for you. Let us proceed with the solution. Now first step students, calculation of profit. Okay, so first we want to find out what is the profit earned by both the partners. For that you have to follow this calculation. See, how will you find the profit earned? Profit during the year is given in the adjustment in the question, 70,000. Okay students, balance sheet there is a profit of 40,000 as per profit and loss appropriation account. The difference of profit during the year and the profit and loss appropriation account will give you the profit earned during the year. So you have to apply this formula and find out what is the profit earned during the year. You got me students? Okay, next in the question it is given the profit sharing ratio is 2:1. That means Rajan is getting 2/3 and Devan is getting 1/3. Now on this 30,000, what is the profit for Rajan? You want to calculate. So 30,000 into 2/3, you get 20,000. Similarly, for Devan, you want to calculate 30,000 into 1/3, that is his part of profit. You get 10,000. Okay student, hope you understood this portion. You want to find the profit earned. Okay children, profit earned is not 70,000. Since profit and loss appropriation account amount is given, it has been done after certain adjustments. So we want to find out the difference. So the difference is 30,000, that is actual profit earned. Next we will proceed to find out the opening capital. 3. So this is a continuation. Now see here, in this step we are going to calculation of opening capital. So to calculate opening capital, since balance sheet is given, what we will do, we have to prepare this format. Okay, you know the format: closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, less profit earned, you get capital on 1/1/2018. Okay children, so now I am going to work out this sum for you. So what is the closing capital of Rajan? So that is given as 1 lakh rupees. And then what is the closing capital of Devan? That is 80,000 rupees. Okay children, the drawings is given in the question as 20,000 and 10,000. So what we want to do, we want to add this both. So you get here 1,20,000 and here you get 90,000. Next what we want to do, we want to reduce the additional capital. Additional capital is 40,000 for Rajan. Similarly for Devan it is 30,000. Next we have calculated the profit already children. So profit credited is, in the previous section we have done, that is 20,000 for Rajan and 10,000 for Devan. You total this and put it in the outer column, you get 60,000 here and 40,000 for Devan. Now what you want to do, you want to reduce this amount. So 1,20,000 minus 60,000, you get 60,000 for Rajan as opening capital. Similarly 90,000 minus 40,000, you get here 50,000 for Devan. This is the opening capital. Okay children, so hope you understood this session also. Next step is calculation of interest on capital. First we are going to calculate interest on capital for Rajan. Okay children, as far as Rajan is concerned, what is his capital? Rupees 60,000. Okay, Rajan is introducing additional capital in the month of April. What is the amount? 40,000. You got me students? Okay, so this sum, in this calculation I have used another method of calculating interest on capital. You can use like this also. See how I have calculated. First I have taken this 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees is the capital, that is opening capital. Okay children, so from January to 31/12/2018, that is the whole 12 months, this 60,000 is available for us. Okay, the 60,000 capital is used for 12 months also. So I have taken 12 months as period for 60,000. So 60,000 into 6 by 100 you want to put. I have applied here rate percentage 6 by 100. You got me, students? Okay. So when you calculate, you get 3,600. 3,600 for how many months? 12 months period. You got me, students? So the 60,000 is available with us for 12 months. Now coming to the second step. Additional capital introduced how much? 1/4/2018. What is the amount? 40,000. So from April 1/4/2000, okay, the amount is 40,000. What is our closing date? 31/12/2018. So see here, I have calculated interest on capital on rupees 40,000 for a period of 9 months, that is 1/4/2018 to 31/12/2018. So the amount is 40,000, rate of interest is 6 by 100, and how many months this amount is 40,000, that is for 9 months. So 40,000 separately I have calculated here. You got me, students? So when you do the simplification, you get 1,800. Okay, in the previous section how did we do? I calculated for 60,000 for the month, how many month the 60,000 is available with us, to that many months I have calculated. But in this sum what I have done, 60,000 is remaining with us for 1 full year. So I have calculated for 1 full year. 40,000 is remaining with us only from April to December. Okay, so from April to December, 9 months interest I have calculated. Okay, children? Okay, now what will be the total interest? That is 3,600 plus 1,800. Total interest is 5,400. Next, calculation of interest on capital for Day 1. Okay, student? Day 1's capital on 1st January 2018, that is opening capital, we have calculated in the previous session, that is 50,000 we got. Next, Day 1 is introducing additional capital. When he is introducing additional capital? In the month of September he is introducing. How much he is introducing? 30,000 rupees. So I am following the same method, children. This 50,000 which is in the opening capital is with us for 12 months. So I have calculated interest 50,000 into 6 by 100 for the whole year I have calculated. So the amount comes to 3,000 rupees. Okay, children? Whereas when the additional capital is introduced in the month of September only, what is the amount? 30,000. September to December வரைக்கும் நமக்கு 30,000 கையில் இருக்கு. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 4 months, that is September to December. So when you calculate, you get 600 rupees, children. So your total interest on capital for Day 1 is 3,600. Okay, children? So hope you understood this sum. I have calculated interest on capital using the second method. You can follow whichever you find easy.